If you are searching for the best affiliate programs for beginners, then look no further. You have found the right video and the right affiliate programs for beginners and seasoned affiliate marketers alike. Let me start by asking you a question. How would you like to earn a huge monthly residual income just by showing people how to give away free vacation incentives for their prospects and clients? Well, if the answer is yes, then you'll want to listen real close to what I'm about to say. Advertising Booster has revolutionized the vacation incentives industry with a subscription-based program that any business can afford. Advertising Booster has quickly become the world's top affiliate program because the tremendous value and incredibly broad appeal of the program. Advertising Booster works for just about anybody in any industry, from e-commerce, informational products, professional services, retail, network marketing, business to business, and much more. In addition to earning 40% recurring commissions, you can recruit other affiliates to the program and make another 10% on all the members they bring in as well. We have affiliates who are making big-time commissions in only their first month, and since we send out commissions every Friday, there's no waiting to get paid in addition to earning huge monthly recurring commissions. We can teach you how to market this program absolutely free. It costs you nothing to get started today. We also pay out thousands of dollars each month and additional contest prizes, plus every Advertising Booster member is automatically enrolled to our Dream Car contest. Once you qualify, you will be able to pick out your dream car and we'll send you a check each month to cover the payment. So what are you waiting for? Become an Advertising Booster affiliate today, and we will even give you access to our top performing video ads for you to use in your social media. Start bringing in new members instantly. We look forward to making you the next Advertising Booster affiliate success story. You can do this. And it's free to get started. Simply click on the link in the description below. When you enroll as an affiliate, we will personally provide you with the training you need to succeed. Get started today while there is no cost to become an affiliate. You will find this is a great way to get started on learning how to start the best affiliate marketing program, especially for beginners. Thanks for watching our video on the best affiliate programs for beginners. Learn more at www.advertisingbooster.com.